welcome back to my channel. I just want to give you guys a quick little disclaimer. I have had laryngitis for the past 3 days and I'm just now getting over it. So if my voice sounds a little crackly, or I tend to lose my voice, or I grab a drink in the middle of filming, please bear with me because I am trying to get through all of my videos that I want to share with you after my sickness. So yeah, it's been a rough couple of days. Actually, it's been a week since I had a cold. And then towards the end of last week, I started losing my voice, and by Friday, it was gone, and I didn't actually start regaining it back until yesterday. And as you guys can see, it's still very kind of crackly. So just bear with me on my crackly little voice, and also bear with me on my, like, what is up with my hair right now? Don't even know. But anyway, so hey guys, so this is a very, very exciting video. I'm very, very happy to be finally sharing this video with you guys because I knew I wanted to get this video done because I have a ton of Christmas decor that I want to share with you guys. Some new stuff that I purchased, last year when it was on clearance, and I don't know what was on clearance last year, so I can't remember, but I bought a lot of stuff this year as well, and I wanted to share all of the new Christmas decorations that I bought. And I thought by sitting down and sharing all these with you guys would help me, because I needed to pull them all out of the bags because I'm starting to decorate my house for Christmas. As you guys can see right there, I actually have Christmas pillows. I have my Christmas blanket on my bed. So it is starting to look like Christmas up in here. I'm telling you. I'm so excited about it. I actually posted a Ray Dunn Christmas haul as well. All of the stuff that I got from, where did I get those? Home Goods. Is this UPS? Okay, not having in my house yet. Anyway, and I forgot that I actually had another, like, a few things from TJ Maxx that I picked up Ray Dunn wise, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share it in this video because the other Ray Dunn one is about 12 minutes long anyway. So I just want to go ahead and get these ones done. So let me go ahead and get started with this huge like Christmas home decor haul. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started with this haul. It's gonna be a few minutes. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to share with you guys, like I said, was the Ray Dunn stuff. I picked these up at TJ Maxx. These are super, super cute. And if you guys actually watched my Ray Dunn Christmas haul, I'll put a link to it up here. You guys notice that I have the little plates that match these. Look at how cute these are. This one says Magic, that one says Merry, and that one says Mischief. All cute little, like, elves. How cute is that? So I picked this up at TJ Maxx. It's gonna go with my Ray Dunn stuff. And then the other, I don't know if this is actually like a Christmas mug or not, but I'm actually gonna consider it a Christmas mug. And this one just says Wish on it. Love this. I'm gonna add this to my Christmas collection. And then lastly, the third thing that I bought at TJ Maxx, Ray Dunn related, is this cute little, like, flower pot. It has Merry Christmas on the front of it with, like, some, what is that stuff called? Holly? Yeah. So Merry Christmas. Absolutely love it. I don't know. You could just put, like, anything in here, like a fake plant, because I will kill it if it's real. So you can put anything in there. Super cute. All right. Let's stick with more of my little jar stuff. So I picked this up too. This was just a cute little, like, red pitcher, and I thought this would be so pretty with, like, some really pretty flowers in here, or some of the pretty like lamb's ear that's got snow on it, or sparkly. But this is so pretty just to lay out. I love it. It's so pretty. So I got that. And then, okay, more glass. So then I saw this, so cute. I don't know where did I get this. This was TJ Maxx as well. This was such a cute little, like, butter dish. I love this thing. It is so cute. Let's see. I have a couple of butter dishes, but none of them are Christmassy unless I have a red one. But this one is super cute. I love the little gingerbread on the front of it, and there's a gingerbread on the back as well. Super cute. I love that it's not like your normal, like normal rectangle butter dish. It's more like a, a fat rectangle. Let's just call it a fat rectangle. It's cute. But anyway, nonetheless, I got that. It was so cute. And then this little spoon rest matches it. So it's very, very cute little spoon rest. And I love spoon rests because I actually use them so many times. I use them for like tea, my teaspoons, and then I use them for when I'm cooking. So I got that. And then I picked up these. Let's see, this was a set of 4. These were at TJ Maxx. I love these stripes on these. These are just like so classic. I love these. They call them bistro napkins. Bistro. I love them. These are cute. I love them. They just scream Christmas, and I can just throw them in anything, put them around anywhere, and it just like decorates the room up so nicely. And then I picked up, of course, the buffalo check print ones because these are so freaking popular right now. Everybody's going buffalo check. So had to have these. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet, but I'm sure I will find a spot. Like I said, I could lay them out anywhere. They could be used for dinner, whatever. I just had to have them because I can just use them anywhere. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, I have so much stuff. Alright. Throat. Drink. I'm drinking some ginger ale now. Okay. Alright, let's get back to business here. Okay, so I picked up a few signs while I was out and about. Now, again, this is a collaborative thing. This isn't like a one-day shopping haul. This is like, since they started putting Christmas stuff out, or something that I bought last year, like I said before. So anyway, this is really cute. This says, it's the most wonderful time of year. This I know was bought this year at Kirklands. This is so cute. I love it because it is the most wonderful time of year. Who wouldn't agree with that? Love it. So I'm gonna put that somewhere where I don't know. I'm sure I'll figure it out. And then I got this little sign. This was from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And this says, it's the most wonderful time of year. Of course it is. How many of these can I have around my house? Probably a lot. And what I love the fact that it's got that buffalo check too, so it's really cute. And then I picked up 3 of these. Sorry, I keep looking behind me because everything's behind me. I picked up these 3 little like blocks. Aren't they 3, right? No, 4. 4 blocks. So these ones, oh, is that upside down? It is. Believe, joy, believe, Merry Christmas, I think it says, and then ho, ho, ho. Look at that. Talented, right? But anyway, I picked these up. These are so cute. I love just putting these around everywhere. Like, you can put these in your bathroom. You can just stick them anywhere, and they're so cute, and I love them. These were from Hobby Lobby. Love those. Y'all, I wanted to get all this stuff out because I wanted to get this filmed because I'm starting to decorate. I needed to get all this stuff out and share it with you because if I didn't share it with you, then I would forget what I got, and that would just be tragic. Okay, so I picked up these cute little, spools. These are so cute. I am so in love with spools. The antique store in the next town over has some like really cool spools that I actually want to go get. So I'll probably end up going to get some really big spools. They're like empty. They don't have anything on them. But anyway, got these at Hobby Lobby. Super cute. Got the red ones as well. These are going to go on one of my trees. I'm not exactly sure which one. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up was this cute little like snowman. For you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I like snowmen. If you're new here, welcome. I like snowmen. And I like warm hugs too, but you know, that's a snowman thing. Anyway, frozen thing, yeah. Anyway, so this snowman, he was just so cute. He was at Hobby Lobby and he's adorable, isn't he? Again, you just set him anywhere and he'll just look so cute anywhere you set him. Alrighty, more stuff from Hobby Lobby. Let's see what I have here. This is the hot chocolate bar. I love this thing, and there's a reason why I love this thing, and I will show you guys in just a few minutes the reason why, because it's so cute. Oh my god. All right, so the next thing I have is this just cute little Christmas tree like farm ornament. Super adorably cute. Love this thing. And then I picked up this because this is one of those which is very popular right now, those tobacco baskets, and it just has like Noel on the inside. Love it. And then, let's see, I picked up these 2 cute little, like, trees. These are from TJ Maxx. Cute little pine trees with the excuse me, black and white checkered print, buffalo checker print. Love these, so cute. These are gonna look so cute somewhere in my house. And then I picked up 2 of these. I'm just gonna show you one, but I picked up 2 of these. One says Mary and the other one says peace. And what I like about it is you can just flip it over if you don't want to see the words on it. You can just flip it over and you just have a solid like pillow without the words, or you can flip it over and it just says Mary on it. Love these. And I think they're gonna go in my dining room. I'm not really sure yet. Well, they might go in my dining room because of this. Because this is the little garland that I'm just gonna put on my china cabinet, because everything's gonna be like black and white checkered or black and red checkered print in there. How cute is this garland? That was from Hobby Lobby. Okay, let's see. The next thing, let me just see. I'm 4 of these little trees. These are so cute, but some of them are like losing their snow. But aren't these the cutest like little trees? They have like little snow on them. They're adorable. So I got 4 of these. Adorably cute. These were from Hobby Lobby. I love those. I'm just gonna actually sit those there because I'm afraid they're like getting yucky. I got this from Hobby Lobby as well. It just says Merry Christmas. And it's kind of like got those beads where you can hang. So I just thought that was really cute. So I can hang that somewhere. And then I picked up 2 of these, which you guys already saw those other ones, but these ones are like a whiter print of the buffalo check. So I picked up 2 of these like napkins, which is gonna be nice somewhere. And then, let's see, these are from Home Goods. Like not Home Goods, I take that back. From the At Home store. I went in there a long time ago, like right when they first started putting all the Christmas stuff out. But I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. 6 of these cute little like pillowy ornaments. These are adorable. So freaking cute. Love them. And then I also picked up, let's see, 3 of these. This one says love on it. Can you guys see that? It says love. Love. Why isn't it focusing now? It was focusing before. Love. Okay. And then this one says believe on it. And then this one says hope. So these are really cute. I love those ornaments. And then, let's see, what else do I have here? I have crap all over the place. Sorry. All right, I picked up this sign. This was at Kirklands. I have stuff everywhere. This is such a cute sign. Farm, fresh Christmas trees, pine, spruce, fir. This is so cute. It's a really big sign too. It's bigger than you think. And I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I'm sure I'll find a place for it. But it's just super cute. I love it. I love all these like little signs that you can just like put everywhere. Alrighty, then let's see. The next thing, I'm gonna share that with you guys in just a few minutes. Okay, this is also from Kirklands. These are those like house beads that everybody's, like I've made and then everybody buys them too. But I wanted some red ones. So I got these ones. Love these beads. These are so cool and so pretty. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them yet, but I'm sure I'll find a place. I keep saying that. I know. And then I picked up these 2 little guys at Kirklands. I love them. Little snowmen that says Mary on them. Super adorably cute little snowmen. And then this goes along with that hot chocolate bar sign that I showed you guys a second ago. This one. All right. This is also part of my little like hot chocolate, hot coffee, hot cocoa area that I'm gonna start like, I'm gonna create in my kitchen. Kind of what I had last year, but not like, I think I did have it last year. I know I had it last year. I just can't remember like where it was and what I put in it. But anyway, this is so cute. This is also from Kirklands. And then this thing is from Kirklands, and this is what I'm gonna set it all in. Oh my God, this tray, look at this tray. It's red and white striped. It's a perfect little tray to set all of that stuff in. So freaking adorable. This came from Kirklands. So I'm super excited to put that on my kitchen counter. And I think I have a couple more items to go. The next item is this little sign that says Merry Christmas. Super, super cute sign as well. I love it. It's so farmhousey. Love that. And then I'm going to save that one for last because this one's a funny one. This one is another sign. I think I picked this one up like last year. This was one of the last year ones that I bought that was on sale from Kirklands, but it just says home for the holidays, which is so perfect. It's so large that I have to like tilt my head. But anyway, cute. Look at that sign. I love it. And then this sign, somebody actually tagged me in this on Twitter and said, Angie, you totally need this. And I'm like, I do. And then when I saw it, I'm like, okay, yeah, totally have to have it. Anyway, it says Wonderland Avenue. What? This is so cute. It's like so perfect. And I'm probably just gonna keep this hanging in my glam room for like ever. I'm not gonna take it down because it says Wonderland on it. So it's just so cute. I love it. So I love that. I got that at Kirklands. And then lastly, this is something that I got at the Biltmore when we were there back in March. And when I was digging through all my Christmas stuff, I actually found these. And I'm so glad that I did because, and I'm sure I've shared these things with you guys before, but I just wanted to get them out and share them again. These little ornaments or little signs, whatever, they're ornaments. They're gonna go on my tree. These are so cute. It's like a little envelope. Love these. And these are from, like I said, the Biltmore when we were there in March. And I actually put on the back of it, Biltmore, March 18. So I could remember when I got these and where I got them. And then I got 4 of these ones, which I got 2 of the ones with the Christmas tree on them and 2 of the ones with the little sleighs on them. Super, super cute. Love these things. Again, I wrote on the back of both of these just to kind of remind me when and where I got them. Absolutely love them. So I'm very, very excited to add those to my Christmas tree this year. And I'm so excited to actually finally get this haul out of the way. Oh, wait, I have 2 more things. 2 more things. Okay, so you guys know I'm like addicted to wreaths, and I have wreaths like all over the place, especially like on my little mirrors and stuff over my bed or over here by my TV. I have that. But I bought these because I'm gonna try to see if I can put these somewhere on one of my little thingies somewhere. But anyway, these are just 2 little wreaths I got at Hobby Lobby when they were on clearance. I think they were like 50% off. So I got these. So I'm just gonna, you know, mess with these and then probably hang them somewhere. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'll figure it out. I know that's kind of been like the theme of this video, right? I'll figure it out. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them, but I'll figure it out. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know that it was quite a long video. Actually, it really wasn't. Actually, maybe it was. Sorry about that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. And I look forward to sharing with you guys how and where I put all of this stuff and in my home tour video, which I'm hoping to have up by December 1st. So keep your fingers crossed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification button as well. That way you guys know when my next video is coming up. Don't forget to share these videos with your friends. And I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye, guys.